They look like dog food.
I am drooling right now.
That was a burst of juicy flavor.
I wasn't ready, but look. Peeking in my window. You should let some more skin show. And if one of these websites get the info, we could work it out, no Nintendo. I just hit out, tab, switching in between two comments.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. You're here with Tamir Derek, and I got my girl Gaylyn here today.
Hey, I'm so excited to be here.
I'm excited too. Today we are going. And it's like today we're going to just like that.
Today we be going.
No, and that even sounds like that makes way more sense than what comes out of my mouth. Like anyway, but today we are going to be doing a snack crate. First of all, I'm super excited. I don't know about you, but I'm excited.
Yep.
We're here in the UK, but today we're going to be doing the mini snack crate. So we have 5 snacks here that we're going to try. I have not yet opened it, and neither has she. So this is going to be a complete surprise. So bacon, Smith's bacon flavored fries.
Bacon flavored?
Bacon flavored snacks. So should we be eating them?
Snacks?
Should we be eating them over milk? Delicious bacon
kind
flavor.
Of. Okay.
You're
I get it.
savory. You feel it?
Yeah. I'm gonna look at the ingredients.
Yeah, because I don't eat meat, so I don't. Is that stupid to say?
I think you're gonna be fine.
Can you eat it?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
I'm allergic to a lot of things.
Baby in the bubble over here.
But I'm good on the bacon.
No, they look like bacon strips. They look like dog food.
I was expecting more of like an applewood smoked bacon, right? So I'm thinking I'm gonna get more fruity scents.
Like an apple crisp.
Yeah, I'm thinking more cinnamon. Not whatever this is.
This is like bacon.
It's
bacon. Oh my god.
Alright, I'm gonna go in.
You ready?
And 3, 2.
Nope. Wait.
It kind of tastes like a pork rind.
Yeah. Pork rind. And I can't eat pork rind, so let me try another one.
I'm getting pork rind.
I'm getting aftertaste.
I'm feeling it hitting me.
Need water.
Oh. Hold on. Oh. My Brita was empty, so we're gonna wash it down with a nice ginger ale.
Yes, some carbonation always helps.
I don't hate it though. I could finish this.
A mainstay in pubs around the UK, these crunchy, savory snacks are perfect with a drink. Enjoy your favorite, bacon flavored. At least they warn you, you definitely need a drink, because they're dry.
They are dry. And the taste is doing this. Giving me a zing.
Oh, so you're feeling them.
Not.
You can have them.
Chewy chews.
What is this? What is this?
Oh wait, last time we didn't read it yet.
Oh.
Okay, so we have no context to go based off of because this has no ingredients written on it.
Right, it just says juicy chews. It may contain milk.
I'm thinking like a Tootsie Roll.
Oh, juicy. I'm thinking like a fruity Tootsie Roll. You know they have those
now.
ones.
Here we are. It's white.
We are.
It's white. So I
contain juicy. Oh, what if it's like a high chew? Oh, it's chewy, kinda. It wants to be. Oh, there's a it's like a Gushers situation.
I am drooling right now.
That was a burst of juicy flavor. I wasn't ready, but blend together nicely at the end.
They do. Like I'm calm about it now.
Yeah, it's a lot of work.
It was a lot of work to get into.
Okay, let's see what the hell that was. Juicy chews. Bite-sized fruit-flavored chews with a burst of liquid fruit in the center. No, but burst. That was accurate because it came out of nowhere. You have to bite into it so hard where it has no choice but to just like pop out.
And it hit us at roughly the same time.
Mm-hmm.
Pelly.
Okay.
But I don't think that's right. Because this does not look like French decor.
Okay. Spicy chicken. How do you get the flavor of chicken without really like grinding up a chicken?
Chicken bouillon. That's like
answer for everything.
I happen to know a lot. No, but if you ramen noodles, that's a bouillon. That's a packet of bouillon. But I do believe it'll be better than these.
Then the bacon, those ones were salty.
They were very salty. Alright, let's dig in.
Let's try it. I like these.
Oh, and there's a cute little spice kick at the end, like
just a little bit.
yeah. It's not crazy. It's not anything crazy though.
Top ramen in a bag on the
You
go.
don't have to take your top ramen pack and crunch it up and put your seasoning in there and shake it up and walk around school. You can do some of these.
Wait, do people do that?
Oh yeah. You've never had raw top ramen, girl? What? Puri puri is a legendary pepper and citrus based sauce and savory roasted chicken.
Flavored with genuine African bird-eye African bird-eye chip. So this is like, that's so cool. That's like how African culture has affected
The UK.
the UK. That's pretty dope.
Reading is fundamental.
Pretty.
Crunchy.
Oh, I hope this doesn't have nuts.
Golden honeycomb wrapped in Cadbury chocolate.
Wait,
Cadbury like the rabbit.
honeycomb.
Wait, I just don't want to see a honeycomb because I have a fear of holes. No.
What?
No, it's a phobia. It's a thing of like clusters of holes and like specifically
Okay, should I break it off for you?
Yeah.
Off of it?
Oh.
Okay. Get that Friday feeling with crunchy. You can't see it. Of holes, huh?
Clusters of holes. It's a thing.
Holes.
It's a thing. I'll break down. Do you see
Okay.
a honeycomb? Oh my god, I don't know if I could do it. I don't know.
You're going to have to crunch through.
No, we're gonna opt out of that one. We're gonna definitely opt out of that one.
Okay.
You go for it, girl.
Okay.
Watch her love it. It's a real gag.
Oh, this is good. It's woven together. Almost wafer feeling.
Oh.
But it's woven wafer into the shape of a honeycomb with some honey type flavoring.
I can't do it.
Yeah, I definitely feel separation and then another
Are we crunchy? Since 1929, crunchy has been a UK favorite. Features a golden honeycomb center surrounded by delicious Cadbury milk chocolate.
It is milk chocolate for
Okay.
sure. Rich.
So fruit gums. Is this really gum? They look like gummies, but they're not. They're not
Gums,
soft.
fruit gums. Yeah, they're probably
gums.
gummies.
And okay, let's do this.
Oh, it's like an old school gummy feel, like the Scooby-Doo snacks, the Scooby
the
snacks.
hard ones. These feel old. These feel like
No, this
like
it's,
last Halloween's candy.
No. This it's how it's supposed to taste like that.
Okay,
I think that's the intended. Yep.
let's try it.
Oh, we are tougher than a Scooby snack.
This tastes like a dot. Oh, the green one's not good.
There's red ones and all that either. It keeps like getting stuck
To the teeth.
to the bottom of my mouth or the top of my mouth. So there's
or
never a point.
simultaneously
There's never a point where I can.
release.
Exactly.
It's getting softer, but it's
yet.
not getting better. I don't like this. It's gonna take me all day to finish chewing this.
Right. It's still.
Once it starts to like
I don't
break apart,
this. Because
they get stuck in different places. I don't like that.
yeah,
It's
maybe
stuck to my top teeth.
some fizz will shift it around.
All right, what is this? I don't want to butcher that. Romtree's fruit gums, delicious fruity gums, featuring the flavor of black currant, strawberry, lemon, lime, and orange.
Mine must have been strawberry.
I had that lime one. I don't like green stuff.
Oh, really? I love green stuff.
I don't want nothing lime. I don't want nothing green apple. That you can keep that.
There's no way to make a green apple body wash not smell cheap.
And what does green apple smell like? Why would anybody want
Well,
this?
real green apple is like a light, fresh burst, but like
And green apples are
it's
sour.
so oversaturated. Yeah. Oh, it's still in my
On the palate,
stuck
right?
in my craw.
All right, so this is the last one.
Oh, so far, my favorite has to be the Juicy Chews.
The
right
Juicy
now.
Chews?
Yeah.
I think it's a strong tie between the spicy chicken and then the Juicy Chews. All right.
Twirl.
Cadbury Twirl. Intense Cadbury milk chocolate hit. That's all we get. Ooh, it looks like a Twix.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah, sleek.
Sleek. Then.
Oh yeah, there's no way I'm gonna like it that much. So I'm not a bit.
Kind of did me.
I'm so sorry. I did not know there was gonna be.
No, I don't think
There's-
anyone knew.
There's holes.
Okay, chew into it and see if it's holy.
I can feel that I'm moving through layers, but I'm not getting like
Cluster of holes.
clusters of holes.
Okay.
No.
Let me try it. It's flaky. Okay.
Okay, I'm glad you like.
It's just chocolate.
It's just chocolate. There's no exciting inside. That was bland.
Intense Cadbury milk chocolate hit. Milk chocolate fingered flakes, then rolled with a smooth chocolate covering. It's a twirly chocolate burst in every bite.
And there is a lot of chocolate on the bite.
No, but I will say, the chocolate is good.
See, I like a good dark chocolate. I feel like
so
I want
sad.
to eat another one of these. I feel like this is my winner. What's your winner?
I mean, I'm gonna agree. I'm
Yeah.
gonna say the Juicy Chews.
Juicy Chews one.
It reminds me of High Chews, and I love High Chews. I'll eat these. My least
do chocolate
favorite,
well. Oh,
the
this
fruit
one.
gums.
Yeah.
You were feeling the bacon fries first.
But after I tried the second
It's
one,
always the second one.
to like reassure that I liked it.
Then they gave me 2 bags. The nerve. Well, this box wasn't as scary as I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, at least, yeah, there were no like, I was gonna say meat byproducts, but these dang bacon things.
All right. Well, I had a good time.
Yay!
I
did too.
The honeycomb one was a little scary, but other than that, but I enjoyed the UK snack crates. I will definitely be getting me another one. Hopefully, you'll come and join me for the next country that we can divulge into.
Yeah, and take a little trip using the taste buds.
Yes. So inspired. She's so inspired. All right, but thank you so much, guys, for joining my channel. Don't forget to check out Gaylyn's channel. We did a video earlier. We did this makeup look, honey.
Yes, so
Giving
go
you
check it out.
Purple Fierce. Go check it out. Thank you so much.
Bye.